Hello students, welcome back in maths class. So in our previous class we have seen how to do multiplication and division of word problems. Then we have done the simplification where addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all things we have solved. So here we will do some word problems. But before starting word problems, you can see in question number 2 something we have to prove. So how we will do this sum? First we will write this, then we have to write LHS, means left hand side, and we have to solve this. After solving it we have to write the RHS, means right hand side terms. Then we have to solve this. If both the answer will come same, means the sum is correct, means it has been proved. So first we will write this, then we will write LHS and we will write only this portion, then we have to solve it. Then we will write the RHS and we will solve it. If the answer of LHS and RHS will come same, so we can write like that. Suppose we have got the answer same. So we will write in this way, LHS equals to RHS proved. Okay, if we will get the answer same, then only we can write this. So you can try in your home. Now let's move to question number 3. Out of 325 members of a committee, 2 by 5 are men and the rest are women. Find the number of men and women in the committee. So total members will be 325 and number of men will be 2 by 5 of this total number. So you know how we can calculate it. 2 by 5 and of will be multiplication 325. Now 5 can divide this number. So we have to multiply this. 130 are men. Total is what? 325. So total 325. Number of men 130. So the number of women will be 325 minus 130. Now we have to subtract this number to get the answer of the woman. Next, Rahul reads 1 by 5 of a book on first day and 3 by 10 of the remaining book on second day. If the book has 500 pages, then how many pages are left unread? So first we will find out 1 by 5 of this total number, that is 500. So number of pages read on first day is 1 by 5 of 500. It means 100 pages. Then what will be the remaining pages? It is 400. So on second day he read 3 by 10 of 400 pages. It will be 120 pages. So total number of pages read 100 plus 120, 100 on first day and 120 on second day. So total is 220. So how many pages will be unread? We have to subtract from the total number. So in this way we will do number 4. Now question number 5. This sum you have to understood very well. Punit's father gave 1 by 3 of his salary to Punit's mother. She gave 1 by 3 of her money to Punit. If Punit spent 2 by 3 of the given money and left with rupees 1200, find his father's salary. The procedure is little bit large in this sum. Let the money given by mother to Punit is 1, be 1. Okay. In case of algebra, we are taking the variable as x, n, like that. In case of fraction, we can take like 1 because 1 is the whole number. So let the money given by mother to Punit be 1. And according to our question, Punit spent 2/3. So fraction of money left with Punit will be 1 minus 2/3. Mother has given 1, he spent 2/3. So how much left with him? That is 2/3. If we solve this, we will get 1/3. So Punit left with him is 1/3. And according to the question, 1/3 of Punit's money will be 1200 because it's given that Punit's left with him 1200. So 1/3 multiplied by Punit's money will be 1200. Now, as we have learned algebra, in the algebra, if we changed the side, the operation also will be changed. So 1/3 multiplied by Punit's money, so 1/3 will transfer to this side. So multiplication will be division. So 1200 divided by 1/3. And this side it will left only Punit's money. So if we can solve this, we will get Punit's money, that is 3600. So just understood it very well. 1/3 of Punit's money will be 1200, that is given. So we have to find out the amount of Punit's money. So if we solve it, if we transfer 1/3 to this side, it will be division, and division will be multiplication. 1/3 will be 3/1, so it will be 3600. So Punit's mother given 1/3 of her money to Punit. So 1/3 of mother's money will be 3600. See, Punit's money is 3600. And this much money only given by her mother. In the first only we have written it. Mother given to Punit. That's why Punit has got. So, mother has given how many to Punit? How much to Punit? 3600. So, Punit's mother given 1/3 of her money to Punit. Means 1/3 of mother's money. How much money with her mother? Of 1/3 mother has given to Punit, and that is 3600. So like previous step, 1/3 multiplied by mother's money is equals to 3600. So 1/3 will go to this side, division will be multiplication, 1/3 will be 3/1, it will be 10,800. This is mother's money. And who has given to mother? Punit's father. Punit's father gave 1/3 of his salary to Punit's mother. So this much money Punit's father has given, and that is 1/3 of his salary. So 1/3 of father's salary is equals to 10,800. So 1/3 multiplied by father's salary is 1,1000. So if we transfer father 1/3 to this side, it will be division, and father's salary will be this. So student, this sum is little large, so please just rewind it and see it again and again and try to understand the process. So try to solve these 3 sums in your copy. Thank you.